Hello everyone, especially to the French company. A pleasure to negotiate with you. We will introduce ourselves. We are a leadership company from Switzerland. Our work team is formed by Laura Fernandez, Juan NIETO, and your host, Juan SUAREZ. My colleague Laura Fernandez will share with you a little bit about our great Swiss culture, and then my colleague Juan NIETO will tell you a little bit about who we are and our purpose. Laura Fernandez, please continue.
Switzerland is a federal republic of 26 states called cantons and has 4 official languages like German, French, Italian, and Romance. Bern is the seat of federal authorities, while the country's private sector is more developed in the city of Zurich, Basel, and Geneva. 12 Switzerland is the 4th richest country in the world, according to its PAB per capita, with 83,1718 American dollars. When we talk about Switzerland, it's important to know the social aspect because in this country is very elevated the benefits to the people. For example, a high salary level compared to the rest of Europe is offset by the consequent high cost of living, like approximately 10% of the income of each household can be used for saving. The inhabitants of Switzerland spend as average of a third of their income on social security, taxes, and health insurance. These expenditures support a high quality yet expensive health system as well as an expensive network of social insurance. For example, the last year, only the United States has higher per capita healthcare costs than Switzerland. Every year, around 19 million hours is overtime are worked. Then we should to know the economic sector in this country because it's very important. The last year, all the sector are very important and advanced in this moment. The most sweet wage earner work in the service sector, especially in commercial and financial market or in the tourism sector. The industry is dominated by chemical and pharmaceutical manufacture and military and metal construction components. For example, here in our country, like Colombia, is the contrary because in our country it's most important to produce fruits and conserve the environment. And in this country like Switzerland is more dominated the pharmaceutical manufacturers and manufacturers and the last like metal construction company. And the economy of Switzerland is one of the world's most advanced free market economy. The service sector has come to play a significant economic role, particularly the sweet baking industry and tourism. The economy of Switzerland ranked first in the world in the 2019 Global Innovation Index and 2020 Global Competitive Report. The labor force was good the last year. In this image we can to see the big company are laborated in this country. The industrial sector, like it is important. Switzerland has an extensive industrial sector with globally competitive companies in various industrial sectors, most noticeable food processing like Nestlé, machine and robot manufacturers such as boats, and chemical for industrial and construction use like Zika, or military equipment such as RUP. Switzerland also has one of the most competitive pharmaceutical industries in the world. Most Swiss pharmaceutical companies, including Novartis and Roche. And agriculture is extremely protected with this thing because the heat tariff and extensive domestic subsidization encourage domestic production. We currently produce about 60% of the food consumed in the country. The first reform in agricultural policy was in 1993. Among other changes, in 1998, Switzerland has linked the attribution of farm subsidies with the strict observance of a good environment practice. Before farmers can apply to subsidy, they must obtain certificate of environment management system. And then continue with my friend Juan Felipe Nieto. Thank you.
Hello for everyone. I am Juan Felipe Nieto Mendoza. I want to thank Laura for sharing with us a little bit about our great culture, our great country. It's one of the best in world war, by the way, you know. Well, now I'm going to introduce you a little bit of what we are and what we do as a company, right? So feel welcome of this presentation, and let's start it. Okay, the name of our company is Leadership Inc. This company was founded about 1960. We have 61 years of experience. We are a service company where our main service program is about an executive leadership program. We have more than 50 business leadership professionals. It is certified by the United Kingdom CPD certification service and can be applied to individuals who are members of or associated with professional bodies based in the United Kingdom. The program that we offer has an estimated duration about 80 learning hours in time. Okay. Here we present a really important question for you, clients. Why we are your best choice, right? Okay, well, being a multilingual country, we speak about 4 languages, German, Italian, French, right, so romantic, that this multilingual country give us a competitive advantage over any other company in the world, right? Knowing that the French multinational client in this case has presence in 8 countries around the world with a diversity of languages, so it would be even easier for us to offer our prestigious customer service training program. That is the best and the main reason that you need to choose us. Okay. The second one is our training program is highly recommended in the region. We offer it our program service in Spain, Italy, Germany, and other countries in all Europe. Okay. And the last one reason is that we are a company that overcome the change generated by the ever-changing environment in which we live, and this makes us as a competitive company. Okay, let's speak about the distance between Switzerland and French, because we think that is a good reason for choices, right? Okay, the distance between France and Switzerland is about 667 kilometers, exactly 7 hours by road and 1 hour by plane. This is beneficial for both nations as being relatively close, make the negotiation process faster, feasible and cheaper due to the distance. Okay, and this information is important to know, because we are negotiated with Switzerland, with France, and we are so close, right? Okay, that's it all for today. We are so excited because for us it's very important to show and share with us, with you, a little bit about not only our country and our country, but we need to show you how we are as a company. So we think that is very important for us. Okay, and this will be all for today. We thank you very much for your time, and we hope you trust us as your best option. That work is all or nothing, right? So we ensure the highest possible quality in our service offered. That is a political company, right? And thank you so much for your time. See you to the next time. Bye.